Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into Python syntax. Whether you are new to programming or just brushing up, understanding syntax is crucial for writing clean and efficient code. So let's jump right in. First, let's clarify what we mean by syntax. In programming, syntax refers to the set of rules that defines the combination of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured programs in that language. Essentially, it's how you write your code so that the interpreter understands it. If you break the rules, you will get errors. Now let's look at the basic structure of Python syntax. Indentation. Unlike many languages that uses braces to define blocks of code, Python uses indentation. This is crucial. For example, if print this is indented. If you don't indent properly, you will get an indentation error. Comments. Use comments to explain your code. In Python, you can create a command using the hash symbol. Everything after that on the same line is ignored by the interpreter. Example, hash this is a command. Line continuation. If a statement is too long, you can split it across multiple lines using a backslash. These are some of the basics that lay the groundwork for writing Python code. Next up, let's talk about variables and data types, which are fundamental to Python syntax. Variables. In Python, you can create a variable simply by assigning a value. For example, name is equal to Mac, age is equal to 30. There is no need to declare a variable type. Python infers it automatically. Data types. Common data types in Python include string, text wrapped in quotes. For example, greeting is equal to hello world. Integer, the whole numbers. Count is equal to 10. Float, decimal numbers. For example, price is equal to 19.99. Boolean, represent true or false. For example, is underscore active is equal to true. List and tuples. List, a collection of items changeable. For example, fruits is equal to apple, banana and cherry. Tuple, similar to lists but immutable. For example, dimensions is equal to 1920 by 1080. Understanding these basic data types will help you structure your programs better. Now let's explore control structures that allow you to control the flow of your programs. If statement, used for conditional execution. For example, if age greater than 18, you are an adult, else you are a mirror. Loops, iterates over sequence. For example, for fruits in fruits, print fruit. While loop, continues as long as a condition is true. For example, count is equal to 0, while count less than 5, print count, and then count plus is equal to 1, which means increase count one by one in the loop, one after the other in the loop. Control structures are essential for making decisions and repeating actions in your code. Next, let's discuss functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. To define a function, use the def keyword, def. For example, def greet name, print hello name. To call the function, you just use its name, greet name. Functions can also return values. For example, def add comma b return a plus b. Result is equal to add 5 comma 3 and print result with outputs 8. Using functions helps keep your code organized and reduces repetition. Lastly, let's touch on error handling. It's important to anticipate and handle errors gracefully. Python uses try and except blocks for error handling. For example, try result is equal to 10 divided by 0, except 0 division error. Print, you can't divide by 0. This way your program won't crash if it encounters an error. And that's a wrap on Python syntax. To further your learning, I recommend checking out the official Python documentation. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more coding tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy coding.